Hey, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in case you're new here, hi, my name is Betty Mwen. So I lost some footages and I'm here to show some plates I got. I've wanted some plates, and the best thing was to get this ceramic plate, which is so affordable for me. So it's a vlog. I'll have to include so many other things in. I really love this plate so far, and I know it is going to serve me. I'll use it as a plate for the meantime. Hey, how are you? I'm continuing this vlog, but before tuendelee, I know you will attack me in the comment section, but imagine I felt like there is that unstoppable feeling of ukisikia kunyoa nywele, there is that feeling yenye you cannot stop it actually. So I had to, but I'll have to add something. I've bought a white hair dye, so that's what I'm going to add into that and dye it. I don't know whether niache ikae blonde or should I just go straight to dyeing it white. It's Subaru. I use Subaru. If you want your hair to be blonde, use Subaru. So we're just going to dye the hair with you. I can see the I feel so good, by the way. I don't look that bad. Do I look bad? I don't look that bad. So I'm looking for something to mix up these, and I don't know what to use. I'm hoping the container is not too big. I had an idea of having it bald, ile kabisa nimenyoa, but sasa nibakishe. No, I don't look bad. I don't look that bad. They used to have short hair. If you have been following me on Instagram, you know that I've been having short hair for some time now. Let me look for some scissors. So I looked back to my old photos and I was like, I miss short hair. Imagine I went to the... Oh, it's blue. Come on. It's blue. Okay, don't look at me. I asked my friends yesterday about the opinion of me shaving my hair, and 98% of them were against it. Imagine I had to. I don't have to read this because I had used it. Dry and unwashed hair. Operation time 50 minutes. Rinse with warm water. One time use. How does it look like this? It smells so bad. Oh, this comes in with some gloves. I'll have to use only one. Which hand is this? It's in a toothbrush. I'm supposed to use a toothbrush, but I don't have it. See now? I have a mirror down here, ndio maana naangalia. It's falling down. I don't think that it's even, but who cares? Imagine I believe in doing it yourself, as in I believe in doing everything for myself. That's why sijaenda kupapadai. As I've said, I've ever done this, so it's not my first time doing it, so I'm so sure that hata kama itashika, it will still look nice. I'm just hoping nyuma imeshika. I don't know. I'm hoping imeshika. I think I need to wash it now. Napa katikati. I don't know how I feel about this part because haijashika poa the way I wanted it to look kama huku kwingine, but it's finished. I'm so sorry for those people who loved my hair, but I'll regrow it once again. See, it's still there. It's not finished, it's still there. I can remember telling myself that I love my hair. Actually, I was so against someone who akinibomoa akikata nywele because my hair was long. But I don't know what happened. Sijui shetani mgani alinishika for sure. But I don't know why I'm blaming shetani. But it's me, it's my decision, so okay, this part. Okay, let me wash it, then I'll be back. Imagine I still have to use my treatment. There is no way it's going. The hair does not look as white as I wanted it to. I wanted it to be totally white. Either I add a different dye, another packet of dye, or nikae tu na hivyo, but it does not look bad. I want to do an Instagram reel of makeup, so I'll have to do that, then I'll be back to show you the results. But I love it.